Hey guys, so you might not be able to hear it, but I am sick. My nose is running and my throat hurts a little bit. I also cough sometimes, so yeah, I'm sick. I'm at home, but I'm taking a break from YouTube while I get better. But I do have something to say, so I found a video style that I can do while I'm sick very easily, and that is uploading plane spotting videos, which I've made a new channel where I will upload plane spotting videos. It's called The Danish Plane Spotter. Now, I'll not edit this video, I'll not edit this video, I just don't want to go through the hassle right now because I'm sick, so I'll be uploading plane spotting videos on the Danish Plane Spotter YouTube channel. But other than that, I'll probably just take a break until I'm well again. That's all I wanted to say. Bye.